Well, after the initial shock, here's what we're dealing with. All because of this drain. Not necessarily, but look at all of this. So we're trying to move it all out now. Of course, this is just awful. Luckily, I got most everything that's important, worth money on pegboard, but if it starts rising, who knows? I mean, it's going all into old basement bathroom. It's coming out to the living space here. We got starting to come up through here, over here. You know, obviously it started coming up over here, and then it started leaking through the doors. The rain's so hard. Got my old fish tank thing, trying to get it so it stops coming through the door as best as we can. So let's go over through here. Got things piled on stuff coming around the furnace. Then this back closet where I keep my comics. Luckily, I put a board down. I'm hoping I can get that up here as soon as I can, but I'm trying to get too much stuff happening all at once. Coming up around through here. I mean, just, you can see it's just soaked in.
Let me get this box out of here.
Well, look what we got now. We got everything moved out. This is grand. This is what I take a day off to do. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, you ain't seen nothing to look at yet. Oh, look at all this. Maybe I'll get electrocuted. Let's see. I fell over that. Look at this. This is grand. All of this. Thank goodness it's on pegboard, like I said before. Got it all out except for a couple things. Some of this stuff down here may be ruined on the bottom, but what do you think about this? Well, Buster, I guess they're gonna have to move. You know what I mean? Why didn't you use the Force, Anakin? Well, I tried to use the Force and I'm just frozen. I mean, well, here's all our hard labor, and look what's still going on. We have now worked how many hours? 6:30. What time is it now?
9:15.
15 hours.
Pretty much non-stop.
Non-stop. Only stopping we ate McDonald's. All for this. And look. It's like it's coming out underneath. This is the only stuff that's damaged. Well, minus a bookcase or whatever, but
Brand new.
what can we say? Oh, we moved this out of the way here. Here's all the fantastic books we can read. Had the fireplace on, trying to dry this place up a little bit. Moved the couch over here. That's life.